guys? So welcome back to my video. We came to the gun range. Let's shoot some. All the bullets land right there. I guess I'm gonna go anywhere. This is my brother. He's gonna show me how to shoot. My heart is beating so fast you have no idea. You know what came to my head? Like those videos that I've seen whenever the gun, after you shoot it, it hits your face. That's really what I was afraid about. I didn't want to get my teeth knocked out. And all this time, I was just thinking of where I was gonna shoot it at. I think the first time I closed my eyes, so I didn't even know where I shot it at, or I don't even know if I even hit the paper.
So it's gonna go around.
Yo, that thing pushed me back. I hit it in the arm. ¿Quién está aquí? ¿Nadie? Oh, I hit it close to the X. Where did I shoot it? I can't even see. ¿No se mira?
¿Quieres poner otro este?
¿Eh? ¿Está armado? Sí.
Hey, somebody record.
Wait.
Espérate. Graba.
¿Ya?
No, dijiste regar.
Oh, he almost hit in the X too. We all shot one after the other, and that's what I recorded. So if you want to see who shot how many shots, how close to the target, you can put pause and find out that way. My sister-in-law just hit it, and now it's my sister Joe's turn.
Is he loaded?
This is my other sister-in-law, Kimbo. Damn, girl. It looks like you've had practice.
¿Te vas a acabar?
Creo que so you can go as. Fuerte. No sé. ¿Puedes ir a preguntar? ¿No? Si quieres preguntar. Más dile que quieres una para una 40.
¿Ya, bro?
Yeah.
又没有。
I got that shit.
For real?
¿Chingón o qué?
I didn't even realize that Q and Walter were on the other side. I just kept hearing shots after shots. But then after that, I found out that it was them. Y'all got good aim. Okay.
Five?
Yeah, like
Yeah, that one's lighter.
Yeah, someone's charging. You can actually go like this with one hand.
This one is lighter than the zero.
And his is a
40. This guy right here, yours is a 45, right? 40. 40 as well?
At this point, I'm kind of nervous. And then you can see that whenever I shoot the gun, it just goes a little bit back. So I wouldn't be surprised if it just made a flip.
There. Switch guns.
Hey, oh. Right.
The other gun is the 9mm, and this one is a 40.
There.
Did I even shoot the paper?
Yes, you did.
Where?
That's the question. But you did shoot it.
Did I even shoot the paper?
Yes, you did.
Where?
That's the question. But you did shoot it.
280 out?
¿Cuánta gente va a haber ahí?
¿Todavía?
Mira. Mira.
Sí.
I just love everything that has to do with space. We're here eating with all of the family. This is how my brother vlogs, and he just shoots anything. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching the video. It's not recent, it's a little bit old, and the reason that I posted is because I have a lot of recorded footage. I am not a vlogger. I don't know how to vlog yet. I am going to try to start doing it more on a weekly basis because I can't upload every day. But the whole thing for us going to the gun range was because my brother invited us, because his friends and our they're like part of our family, they invited us to go. And a shout out to you guys, Walter and Q. Thank you very much for inviting us to go over there, and also for paying. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, write down your comments below, even though if they're gonna be mean, but just write them down just so I can get some feedback of my videos. And there's gonna be a lot more videos of past stuff that I have recorded that I have not had time to edit, which I'm going to start doing it hopefully a little bit more often, and hopefully I can get one video up every week. And if you guys have any type of suggestions of videos I should do, please write it down below. Like I said, subscribe.